Hi everyone, today I'm thrilled to take you on an artistic journey with my latest creation, Garden Party. This piece was such a joy to work on, bringing together harsh shades of white, grey and black with bursts of lively yet soft colour to evoke the charm of a flourishing garden. Once again I used my Hahnembuhle Grey sketchbook. It's an absolute favourite of mine, and played with a palette featuring green, lilac, dark blue and monochrome. The result is something vibrant yet serene, a celebration of growth and creativity. For this artwork I experimented with a range of tools: graphite, Micron markers, jelly roll pens and coloured pencils. Each one added its own distinct texture and detail to the piece, making the flowers and leaves truly come alive on the page. Starting with a rough outline drawing, I allowed the natural flow of leaves and petals to guide the composition, creating a rich tapestry of blooms and foliage. The top of the page remains open, hinting at flowers reaching upwards towards the sky, a subtle nod to the endless possibilities of creativity. This project took me slightly out of my comfort zone as I embraced more vibrant colours than I usually do, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Trying something new not only challenged me, but also reignited my love for exploring fresh techniques. It's so empowering to step outside the familiar and see where inspiration takes you. What I adore most about Garden Party is how it feels like an invitation to join the creative process. Art has such a wonderful way of connecting us to nature, to beauty and to ourselves. I hope this piece inspires you to pick up your pencils and markers and create something that brings you joy. Don't forget to like, share and comment if this piece resonates with you. Goodbye.